Okay students, today's lesson for week 1 is your safety workbook, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint on how to fill out this book. Normally it would be a hard copy, but we're going to get this to be done digitally. So the best way to do this is we're going to start on this page. I would like you to go File, Save As, and I want you to save it as Safety Workbook, but with your name up the front. So it'd be John Connor Safety Workbook. So that way when it comes to me, I'll be able to put it away and I'll know that it's yours. Also down here, put your name down there. So just some of the problems you're going to have here, just click on that, and if we put your name there now, you can see that it's a bit of an issue because of this line. That's because it used to be printed out for a hard copy. So you might have to delete some of that line. That's fine. You'll notice that later on you'll have the same problems here. So what I'd like you to do is to type in your answer and then tidy this up by getting rid of all of these lines. Just make it more presentable. And you'll probably have to do that for each of those. Alright, so if you had why are tyres a potential danger, especially when using a machine, click on there, type your answer up, whatever your answer is, and then delete all the lines, and that should be fine. Alright, here's the major problem. This one here, getting these lines on here. Now there's half a dozen different ways to do it. I'm going to show you probably the easiest way to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to Snipping Tool. Now, if you don't have that on your bottom of your computer, it's normally standard with most computers. If you click on your search windows and type in Snipping Tools, it should come up. So let's have a look to see how that works. If I click on that, this comes up. I want to go a new one. So I click on New, and I'm going to take, you can see how it's gone all hazy, means that it's about to work. I'm going to take this here like that, and there it is. Now I've taken the whole page, and there's a reason for that. I'll tell you in a minute. Now if you have a look, I've got a photo of that page. It's not actually the page, it's just a photo. But what this allows me to do now is to use these icons up here. Now I've got a highlighter pen. So for example, if I click on that, I can come along, find a word. I don't want to find the words for you, but let's say there's a word there. I can highlight that word. There it is there. I can find another word. Here it is here, etc. Whatever you like. You might decide that you decide to want to use a pen, which is fine. So you can go red, blue, black, whatever you need. And you might want to, for example, circle or put a line through whatever you think the answer is. Either way, that's fine. Now at this stage here, a lot of people go File, Save As. I don't want you to do that. If you just click on it, go right click, copy, and then close this. You don't want to save it, and you come back to this page. Now if we come down the bottom and click there, I can go right click, paste. You can see that it's put that photo in there. I've got the original, nothing wrong with that. You can leave that there, and you've got this one here, and you can open it up till it's full page, and there's your answer. Here's the only problem: if you got halfway through it and you went, oh, that's enough for the day, you might have to take a snipping tool. Every time you do a snipping tool, it lowers the quality of the image. So just be aware of that. So it's a good idea that once you start this, you keep going. Alright, well that's week 1's work. Hope you that helps you at all. Have a bit of fun. See you later.